Hello all, myself Shanmugapriyanti. In this video, I am going to discuss about a software design tool Figma. Figma is a software design and prototyping tool. It is a UI and UX design application that you can use it to create websites, apps, or smaller user interface components that can be integrated into other projects. Figma is a first interface design and prototyping tool based in the browser. You can use it to do all kinds of design work from wireframing websites, designing mobile app interfaces, prototyping designs, crafting social media posts, and everything in between. Figma is different from other design editing tools. Everything in one place. Through Figma, we can do designing, prototyping, and feedback versioning. Next, we will see the features of Figma. The first is collaboration in Figma is simple and familiar. Because Figma is browser based, teams can collaborate with each other and perform their specific task. People viewing and editing a file are shown in the top of the app as circular avatars, like this. Clicking on someone else's avatar zooms to what they are viewing at that time. Variant for component management. Variants is an intelligent component management model and known as a Figma component library. You can also define a single container for all similar components. During collaborative work, variants makes it easier for the team members to locate what they are searching for. The next feature is a bulleted list. You can also include bulleted and a numbered list in your design projects. Lists enable you to easily organize data and empathize related information in vector designs. You can also perform visual color modifications through text colors, strokes, and effects. The next feature is Figma Community Files and Plugin Library. Figma has a resource-enriched community platform where you can publish your projects so that fellow members can examine or rework them. Figma plugins are highly performing and at the same time stable and secure. The fifth feature is intuitive and straightforward prototyping. With the Figma, prototyping is super easy and free of cluster as it includes a frame-to-frame transition. You can effortlessly share Figma prototypes with the team members just like sharing Figma design files. Other features: Figma font installer, live share, Dropbox paper. Figma is great for designing a review feedback. Now we are going to differentiate Figma with other design tool. Using a sketch tool, you have to use InVision, Abstract, and Zeppelin tool. But in Figma, we don't need to use InVision, Abstract, and Zeppelin tool. Figma is all in one. Figma let you share design files and collaborate in real time. That's not possible with a desktop app like Sketch. Figma has better and more functionalities than Adobe XD tool. You can also make rectangles, lines, arrows, polygon, etc. This also extends to text options, layer effects, and image tools, which XD does not have. It's easy to learn Figma. Beginners will find using Figma easy than other design tools. Advantages: Figma has lot of advantages. Some of them are real-time collaboration, quick and easy file sharing, all-in-one tool from design, prototyping, and versioning, cloud-based, provides a free plan. It is very friendly and clearly designed. Disadvantage: Figma has only limited disadvantage. Some of them are it cannot be used without an active internet connection, requires a right amount of RAM and decent graphics cards. Global colors are absent. Sometimes does not support advanced animation and interactions. At last, we will see the conclusion of Figma. Figma allows its trend perfectly, and its inherent cloud nature makes it simple and pleasant. The application allows multiple team members to work on a single project in real time. In general, the overall designer experience of using Figma is very nice. The tool is incredibly smooth and with the launch of animations. Now we will see the demo of this Figma tool. Now I am going to design a login page of this app. The app name is Discord. Like this I am going to design in Figma tool. This is the home page of the Figma. Here is frame. Through frames, this is frame. Through frame, we can select the type of the phone like iPhone, Google Pixel 2, Android, and also desktops and presentations. We can also design on prototype. Through this, we can draw rectangles, lines, arrows, ellipse, polygon, and star, and images also we can paste. I have already created the login page of the Discord through this Figma tool. See, this is the not this. This is the login tool. Sorry, this is the login page, and this is the home page of this Discord app application. Now we will see how the Figma will work. First, the login page will open because we have created the login page first. After the successful login, the home page will open. This is the home page of the Discord app that we developed. Like this, the Figma will work. The biggest benefit in Figma is to get the acceptance of client in very short period of time. Thank you.